Hello everyone, I'm Sasha, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make a very tasty tart with frangipane and sour cherries. But you can use any other berries and fruit. The crust will be chocolate and everything will be almond berry cherry. Incredibly delicious and amazingly flavorful. And as always, it's really easy to make. Watch my hands. Поехали! First off, we are gonna make the dough for the crust, the dough for the base of the tart. We will only need egg yolks for that, without egg whites. So separate the eggs in advance. Place the egg yolks in one bowl and the egg whites in another. And for now, cover the egg whites with plastic wrap and put it in the fridge. We will use them for another recipe. Take a mixing bowl. Place softened butter in it. The butter should be really soft, at room temperature. Just take it out of the fridge in advance. Take a mixer and turn the butter into smooth cream. Just beat it well with an electric mixer. If the butter is already softened, it will only take a few seconds at maximum speed. Add icing sugar. And again beat everything until pale and smooth. Of course, don't forget to dance, so the tart will turn out even tastier. Add the egg yolks, continue beating at medium speed, add them one at a time. As soon as one mixed in, add another one, and mix again. When it is ready, sift all-purpose flour into the bowl and cocoa powder for the chocolate crust. If you don't want a chocolate crust, then don't add cocoa powder. Just replace the amount of cocoa powder with the flour. Add a little bit of salt. Using a spatula, mix it well until combined. You don't need the mixer here, just a spatula. Just like that, mix it, combining all the ingredients into the dough. It will take literally a couple of minutes at a fairly relaxed, calm pace. As I said, everything is very quick and very easy here. When the dough starts to come together, help a little with your hands to put all this together. Make a ball. Flatten it like this. Cover with the plastic wrap and put it in the fridge for a couple of hours. The dough should cool down and rest, then it can be easily rolled out. Meanwhile, make frangipane, or almond cream. Into the bowl add softened butter, and in the same way, using an electric mixer, turn it into the soft cream. Then, in the same way again, add icing sugar. First at medium and then at maximum speed, beat it well until pale and fluffy. Just a couple of minutes. Add eggs one at a time and mix in with a mixer. The eggs should be at room temperature, so also take them out of the fridge in advance. Mix in first one, add the next, and mix again. Then add almond flour or almond powder and mix it with a mixer at medium speed until combined. Add dark rum or some other flavorful spirit. Chpok! To make the frangipane even more almondy and even more delicious, add a little bit of almond extract. And mix everything again with the mixer. When everything is combined, the frangipane is ready. It smells incredibly, it's just forking fantastic. It needs to be cooled down before use. Cover it with a plastic wrap until it touches the almond cream. And put it in the fridge for a couple of hours too. When the dough has rested and cooled down, the frangipane will also have rested and cooled down. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, I defrosted the sour cherry. Of course, I had it frozen. You know, it's not the season. So, I defrosted it and now put it on a sieve to get rid of excess liquid. I don't need it for my tart. Dust the countertop with all-purpose flour. Then take the chilled and well-rested dough, also dust it with a little bit of flour. Dust the rolling pin with flour too and roll out the dough to the size of the 9 inches tart pan. If the dough is well rested and it has cooled well, there shouldn't be any difficulties in rolling it out. You can turn it over once. During the process, be sure to check the size of the tart pan. A little more. Then carefully roll the dough into the rolling pin. Do not rush. And also, very carefully, transfer it into the tart pan. Then lay the sides. To remove excess dough, pass a rolling pin on top, pressing it to the edges. Spritz. Done. Collect the remaining dough. Then you can prepare delicious chocolate cookies with it. Make a few holes on the bottom of the crust with a fork and put the rested and cooled frangipane there. With a spatula, distribute the frangipane evenly in the pan. And put the cherries on top. You don't need to press it, just lay them on top. Of course, you can scatter everything randomly. As I already said, instead of cherries, you can use any berries and any fruit, including frozen ones. But keep it in mind that frangipane is a rather sweet filling. So personally, I would take types of berries and fruit that are more acidic. Here is sour cherries. It seems to me that this is just a perfect option. What a delicious cherry. I immediately want summer. Very, very, very tasty. So that the tart turned out even more beautiful and even more almondy, sprinkle all this beauty with sliced almond on top. Like this. And now put it in the oven already preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Immediately reduce the temperature to 355 degrees Fahrenheit and bake the tart for about 40-45 minutes. Watch it. The frangipane should rise, it should turn golden brown and bake properly. So just watch. It smells fantastic. Wow, 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 wow. Smells just incredible. Now you need to give the tart rest in the pan, just a little bit, and then carefully remove it from the tart pan. By the way, I have the pan with removable bottom, so in my case it's not difficult at all. And place it to a plate or stand for a cake or a tart. Then let the tart cool down completely, or maybe not completely, but to a slightly warm, or you can cool it down and then chill it, or you can cool it down and then reheat it. As you like, it's up to you. Just a matter of taste. But if you decide to eat it slightly warm, add a scoop of vanilla ice cream or whipped cream. It's incredibly tasty. Although you can do it just like that. It is also very, very delicious. Ooh la la, what a beautiful tart. Of course, it's also easier to cut when it's cooked. It looks very appetizing. It smells so wonderful, as I already mentioned. I kind of make the almond cherry moves now. Almond cherry chocolate. Very good. Delicate almond cream. Crispy chocolate crust. Cherry. Sliced almond on top. You know, everything is as it should be. Very, very, very delicious.
What is going on here? Grisha and I are outraged. You didn't let us lick the bowls. You said you were going to make cookies or something. Even not a piece of dough to taste. Why is this? How is it? What the?
Don't panic. Here you are, please.
How delicious this is. The triple almond strike. I see almonds. I can smell the elements and I can taste the elements. It is just incredibly tasty. And the cherries. And the chocolate crust. It's like a miracle. Very, very good. Everyone needs it right away, especially me.
As always, you can find the list of ingredients in the description box below the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments and share your results. I wish a wonderful day to everybody. And see you soon again. Пока-пока.